We all know that sugar is a big part of our modern diets. From sweet treats to sugary beverages, it's hard to resist the allure of sweetness. But have you ever wondered what happens to our bodies when we decide to cut out or reduce our sugar intake? Hi! Welcome back to our channel. If you are interested in topics like this, please consider subscribing to our channel, so we can make more contents like this. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey our bodies undergo when we make the conscious choice to say goodbye to excess sugar. When you stop eating sugar, especially added sugars and refined carbohydrates, several changes can occur in your body. Here are some of the potential effects. 1. Weight loss or maintenance. Cutting out excess sugar can help reduce your calorie intake, leading to weight loss or easier weight maintenance. Sugar-rich foods are often high in calories and lack essential nutrients, so removing them from your diet can help control your weight. 2. Stabilized blood sugar levels. Consuming less sugar can lead to more stable blood sugar levels. High sugar intake can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, potentially contributing to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Reducing sugar consumption can help mitigate these effects. 3. Improved energy levels. Refined sugars can lead to energy crashes due to their rapid absorption and subsequent drop in blood sugar. By cutting down on sugar, you may experience more consistent energy levels throughout the day. 4. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. High sugar intake is associated with an increased risk of various chronic diseases, including obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By eliminating or reducing sugar consumption, you can lower your risk of developing these conditions. 5. Better dental health. Sugar is a major contributor to tooth decay. Cutting back on sugary foods and drinks can improve your dental health by reducing the risk of cavities. 6. Improved skin health. Some people may notice improvements in their skin health when they reduce sugar intake. Sugar consumption has been linked to skin issues such as acne and premature aging. 7. Reduced inflammation. High sugar intake can contribute to inflammation in the body, which is linked to various health problems. Cutting down on sugar may help reduce overall inflammation levels. 8. Enhanced taste perception. Consuming excessive sugar can dull your taste buds over time. When you reduce sugar intake, you might find that your taste perception becomes more sensitive, allowing you to appreciate the natural flavors of foods. 9. Decreased cravings. Sugar can trigger addictive-like responses in the brain, leading to cravings for more sugar. By reducing your sugar intake, you may find that your cravings for sweet foods diminish over time. 10. Gut health improvements. Some research suggests that high sugar consumption may negatively impact gut health by promoting the growth of harmful bacteria. Cutting back on sugar might help support a healthier gut microbiome. It's important to note that the effects of reducing sugar intake can vary from person to person. Some individuals might experience these changes more dramatically than others. If you decide to significantly alter your diet, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Additionally, while cutting out added sugars is generally beneficial, it's important to continue consuming carbohydrates from whole, nutrient-rich sources like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. So, there you have it. A closer look at the incredible transformations that occur when we bid farewell to excessive sugar consumption. Remember, your body is a complex and adaptable system. By making small changes to your diet, you're giving it the opportunity to thrive and live life to the fullest.